Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we'll take a look at some open earbuds from One More. These are the One More Fits, and these are the One More Fit SEs. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright, so what is an open earbud? Basically what it is that it does not go inside the ear canal, but it basically lays on top of your ear. So if you're in the gym and you want to listen to a podcast, or if you want to listen to some music, and if there's an alarm that goes off, you can hear it. So it does not have the best sound quality because it won't actually cancel out nothing in the background, but it will actually help you hear way more than what a regular earbud can do. So these are what it is, and let's just pop these baby open and see what it looks like. All right, so let's just pop and open the open fit. This is the S50s. Right, let's see exactly what we're dealing with here. Do have the logo for One More right there. Pretty cool. So I do actually have experience with the open earbuds. I actually just did a review on one a few months ago, so I do have experience, and I am very interested to see how these compare. All right, so I don't want to rip it out too much. All right, it does have these Beats type of feel when it comes to the packaging. Very old school here. And here we have the presentation. These are the S50s. You guys let me know what you guys think about the packaging. Really nice packaging here. You can pop this open and you can actually pair this up. It looks like that there is a One More Fit app, and it shows you how it works exactly. And if you want the operational guide, you guys could pause that and read it for yourself and actually scan it. But as far as the actual headphone itself, definitely loving the packaging here. So let's put this to the side. See if we could take this out without breaking it. So headphone to the side. Let's see what you get here. So it looks like you have a Type-C charging cable, Type-C to Type-A, and you have some earbud tips if you guys do not like the stock ones that actually come outside the box. And it looks like you have a nice little carrying case from One More. Nice cool looking material, and you have a One More user guide as well. So as far as the actual earbuds itself, let's just pop this open, see what it looks like. This is the carrying case, pretty cool. What does it charge with? Type-C, and it does have the red accent there, which is pretty cool. And this is what it is when you open them up, and these are how you charge it. Let's see how you do this here. So I guess you will put that there, and you will put this here. So I will do a little bit of a sound test from the camera. I'm gonna do it off camera, so I will actually showcase to you guys, but this is what it looks like. One More. So this is what it looks like, and it does have the green LED light, which is pretty cool. So it looks pretty nice. It does have the One More logo. These are what the S50 looks like. Let's see how these S30s look like. So let me pop this one out as well. So I will do a little bit of a sound test. I'll probably do it for a couple hours, and I will be back with my initial review of how they sound, and I'll let you know if they're worth getting. So, and I will let you know if it's worth getting the more expensive one, or should you get the one that's a little bit cheaper. Right, so it's giving me a little bit. Right, so let's see the difference when it comes to the packaging. A very similar case. If you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, definitely can. Put that to the side. Pop open the back here. Looks like you have your user guide and your One More logo. And it looks like we don't have the extra earbud tips, but we have the charger, Type-C to Type-A. My thing is why would it come with, okay, so these actually have the earbud tips on there. So it very different than the ones that I've actually reviewed in the past. So it actually lays on top of your ear, but it does actually channel through just a little bit. So these are going to sound way better than the ones I've done in the past just because of that. But let's just pop this one up and see what it looks like. All right, so we have the One More logo on both sides. Very similar casing, Type C as well, and it looks like you have a power button right there, and you have that same green light. But side by side, this is what it looks like. You guys let me know which one actually looks better. But as far as the overall sound, I will let you guys know exactly how I feel, and we will be right back. Let me go test these out later. All right, guys, so we are now back. I just tested out the One More Fits and the One More Fit SEs. They just hooked up to Bluetooth, no problem. And I did actually download the One More music app as well. And as far as the One More Fits, they did actually have an update, which I actually did do the update, and it made a significant sound difference when it comes to that update. So if you guys do actually buy this one, make sure that you do the update on them. It took about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. But as far as what I was saying before about how the open earbuds do not have volume, these two have volume. Now, as far as bass, it's not the best bass in the world, but the volume is good, and they feel so comfortable because it does not dig inside your ear canal. These feel amazing. And as far as these right here, it does actually have a little bit of like the ear canal, but it does actually lay on top, so it doesn't fully go inside the ears. But oh my god, these sound really, really good. Not the best bass in the world, and if you do have the One More app, it does have some preset settings where it could be the hip hop, the punk mode, or whatever. So what I did was I had it for the vocal only, and it improved so much just having the vocal ones. And as far as the One More Fits, it does have custom EQ settings on these, which is weird how it has it for one and it doesn't have it for the other, but the both of them sound very impressive. You cannot lose with what you get for both of them. Both of them are very comfortable. And as far as me, I'm very sensitive when it comes to the rubber tips inside the buds. Sometimes my ear get very, very, very scratchy and very irritated at times, but these pods are really, really good, especially for the volume. These impress me a lot just because of the fact that the last one that I did do a review on, it was an open earbud as well. It had no volume, but I could hear everything in the background. These are kind of like the opposite. So if you want the volume, you can get the volume, but if you just lower it, then you can hear everything around you. But as far as the volume for these, they do go up, and it did actually block a lot of the background sound, especially my TV, which I had at like 20, and I could barely hear it. But if you do go outside and if you just lower it, you can hear whatever you want to hear, especially in the background, like horn or sirens or people talking to you, which is no issue at all. So if you guys want to buy these, the link will be down below. Big shout out to One More for actually sending these out to me. I am impressed by both. You cannot lose. But these are the ones that I will actually recommend because it did have the better sound quality, especially if you put that preset, if you put the vocal boost, they sound way better, especially when it comes to music and to videos. So if you guys want to buy these products, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of One More products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.